If you were recently sick and just can't shake that lingering cough, it's probably not walking pneumonia. It might just be because you aren't clearing out your lungs thoroughly enough. Here's one quick way to fix it. When you're sick, your body ramps up mucus production to trap pathogens. But after an illness, sometimes that mucus production remains high long after the pathogen has been defeated. This can result in a hacking cough that sticks around for weeks. But there's a simple solution that doesn't require pharmaceuticals or even stringent over-the-counter meds. A lung detox tea like this one. 2 of the herbs in this tea, namely mullein and thyme, help your body melt mucus buildup so you can finally cough it up or blow it out of your sinuses. Try a cup or 2 for a few days in a row and see the difference it makes in that lingering post-cold or flu cough.